Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, update lang tayo sa aking kilay. So, ayan, 2 days ko siyang hindi binasa. Pero, of course, nakakabat naman ako. Yung mukha ko lang siya hindi binasa. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng, nag-ano lang ako, nag-cleanser. Hindi ko siya talagang binasa. So, nilagay ko lang, cream lang talaga. So, ito na yung looks niya after 2 days. Okay pa rin siya, diba? Meron na siyang natatanggal na unti-unti yung black niya. Yung kulay niya dito. Pero magla-lighten na yan. Tingnan natin. Lapitan natin. Ang itim ng ano ko dito eh. Ganda pa din niya. Okay, so pang 6 days na ngayon guys. Update lang tayo sa aking kilay. So, nagpipild na siya yesterday pa lang. So, pag nakikita nyo, nagpipild na siya. So, once na mag-start na siya ng field, huwag nyo siyang ipipild. Hayaan nyo siya na kusa siyang matangkal. Nakakita nyo dito, nagpipild na yan dito. Malaki na yung, pero hinayaan ko lang talaga siya. So, sabi ni Maddie, hayaan lang siya. So, hintayin natin after 1 week. Or, kasi ang totally healed talaga nito is 2 weeks. And then, siya, super cutty na siya. So, hinayaan ko lang talaga siya kahit makati na. So, ito yung ating update after 6 days ng ating microblading. And of course, microshading.
We're going to make crock pot peach cobbler in the crock pot.
Okay, what are the ingredients, love?
Well, the ingredients is, they call for 1 large can of crushed pineapple, but they didn't have a large one.
Yeah.
So I got 3 of these.
Yeah, 3 small one.
You need to drain it and hold the juice in reserve.
Yeah.
So they tell you to drain it and hold it in reserve. And then it calls for 1 large peach or cherry. Well, we're doing peach. You can do cherry.
Can
you
show
can do
to
apple.
them? Yeah.
But these are just 15-ounce cans, so we're using 2 of them
Yeah.
instead of 1. And then it calls for a white cake mix if you're using cherry. But where we're making peach cobbler, I'm going to use carrot cake because it's got spice in it, cinnamon and just like you would do for peaches. So.
And then this is gonna be our
That's our baking dish.
main tools.
Main tool.
Crock pot or slow cooker, guys.
Slow cooker. So.
Okay, so what we're gonna start?
Very simple. Just
Very
put
simple.
The
First,
fillings in the bottom.
yeah.
Clean them all out good. This is a very simple and easy, no hassle, don't need an oven
Yeah.
type.
No oven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just nice if you know you're gonna need something for. You could put this on in the morning before you go to church and come home and it'd be done.
Yeah. Because this one is like 2 to 3 hours, right?
2 hours.
2
on high.
hours. On high heat, right?
2 hours on high. Yep.
Yeah.
So it says just to even it out down there in the bottom.
And then next is the
crushed pineapple.
The crushed pa? Okay. Next is the crushed pineapple.
And it says to drain it, and you will use the juice later.
Yeah.
You don't have to be perfectly drained, but
Is the spatula, love?
and just spread your crushed
Ooh.
pineapple all in there.
You can use fresh as well, right?
You could use fresh. It says to crush it so that it's you'd want to
Yeah.
chop it up really fine so you don't get great big pieces.
Okay. We'll spread this one evenly so the flavor and the taste,
And then
it
just
will be even.
1 cake mix,
So,
and you just spread it out evenly over top.
yeah. You don't have to mix it.
No,
Just put it on the
just
top.
put it on the top. Don't mix
Yeah.
it.
That's why we have to reserve the juice of the pineapple.
Try to get it down there somewhat even all the way around in thickness, but
And is that one?
butter.
The butter.
1 stick of butter, just sliced and put it around inside.
You can use also a soft already,
Nope.
right? Nope.
Nope.
Just
Use
to be
regular butter
a regular butter.
because of the fat
Ah.
content. Margarine, there's no butter to it at all. It's just
Well, there's a
Oils.
there's a soft butter, love. You know,
you just,
like
well,
the
you
one
want
in the
you want
US.
the butter to be hard, so when it starts to melt, it helps make it crumbly. That's why you use a stiffer butter. Now I thawed this a little bit because it was frozen.
So in this moment, after you put the butter, you can put the
Juice.
pineapple juice.
So had left over. I just pour it on top.
That's
Don't stir.
Don't stir.
Don't
And
stir, don't do nothing.
that's ready for
Put the lid on and plug it in.
ready
High
for
2 hours.
cooking na. Yeah, 2 hours high, guys. So this one here, meron siyang high and off, high, low, and auto. So put it in high for 2 hours and let's wait what it looks like. This is gonna be our first time, so let's see what it looks like, okay? So now it's all plugged in, guys. Let's wait for 2 hours. So what time now we turn it on?
Let's see here.
Can you check it, love? So we will know what time we will
Set a timer.
but of course,
1:30.
guys, you keep checking on this one, huh?
30.
So by 3:30,
Yep.
this will be done 3:30. All right, see you in a bit. In 2 hours, I mean. I think this is done now. Time's up. Look. Whoa.
I would say
Hmm?
get a fork and see what the crust is like.
Okay. That boiling on the side, that's probably the butter and
Butter and
side lang,
peaches
side.
and
Over the underside.
I'm just looking and seeing if the cake mix is all done. I'd say it's all done.
Try it.
It's done. Just leave it set. Turn it
Yeah,
off.
turn
and
it off and
leave it set
leave
for
it
10,
set.
15 minutes.
Okay.
And it'll kind of bond itself.
yeah, okay.
It's not
And
meant
it
to
will
stay together.
and it
but-
will shrink a little bit.
Okay.
So it's gonna try
Boy,
na.
it's hot, but it smells wonderful.
That's good though for ice cream that no on the top.
Yeah.
How's the flavor?
It turned out really good with the peaches and pineapple.
Oh. It's really hot pa.
Still really hot.
Ang ganda niya, guys, oh. Ang sarap niyan. Tinikman ko ng konti, guys. Ang sarap niya. Ako na nga matikim ulit. Super init pa daw, sabi ni Charles. Ito yung cake mix, guys. O, tingnan nyo. This one is the cake mix. Tapos itong basa, ito yung nasa ilalim. So, ang gagawin mo dito, mix mo yan. Tapos i-ano mo dito sa, yeah. I-ano mo dito sa cake mix. I-ganon mo siya. Oh my god. Still hot.
Oh,
Yeah.
like lava. Not.
Really good. The flavor is really combined ba? Mix it
That was
together.
the right cake to use with the peaches.
Yeah.
The yellow cake for cherry would be good, but that carrot cake is perfect with them peaches.
Yeah. The carrot cake has a cinnamon on it. Tastes good. There you have it. Try this one, guys. If you don't have oven, you can try this one. This is good, and you can use the crock pot or the slow cooker. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Ciao!